Benefits of south-facing windows. Dear friends, there are a lot of different factors to consider when choosing the best orientation for your windows. A homeowner might want their living room window facing west because it will get more natural light in the evenings and less sun during the day, whereas they might not want their bedroom window facing east because it'll get too much morning sunlight in the summer. When you're either buying or renting a house, it might be worth checking the window orientation as it can affect the energy efficiency of your home, as well as the overall ambience. Saving money on heating bills. South-facing windows can offer a lot of benefits when it comes to heating costs, which is an important consideration for homeowners. The sun's energy is always free and it is all around us. That's why the south-facing windows in your home are a great way to save on heating costs because they allow for natural heat from the sun, without the need for turning the thermostat up. Creating good conditions for houseplants to grow. There are many benefits of having south-facing windows in your home, and not just because they offer natural light. They also provide a good space for houseplants to thrive. South-facing windows are beneficial for plants because they provide ample amounts of direct sunlight that is perfect for photosynthesis. Improving your well-being. South-facing windows let light in and it's good for well-being and mental health. If you're lucky enough to have a house with south-facing windows, the sun will be streaming in all day long, which can help your mood. This is because when sunlight hits your retina, serotonin production increases. Sunshine also stimulates appetite and has been shown to relieve depression symptoms. South-facing windows are a great way to get natural light in your home, which is important for health and happiness. They also help keep the temperatures higher inside during the winter months. Not only do they provide benefits for you, but they can make your home more energy efficient as well. The right window treatment choices can also be added to offer privacy or protection from the sun's rays while still allowing an ample amount of light into your living space. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.